Welcome to our Sunday specials. Technology is the propellant of the 21st century, and virtually every facet of the society is embracing artificial intelligence in solving problems. A searchlight has just been beamed on a 10-year-old tech genius who is building an application that will provide answers to any of your health challenges. The Bridge Doctor app is based on natural remedies to finding lasting solutions to ailments. You want to know how he came about this? In this Sunday special, Ola Wakon explores the world of Joshua Agboola, who also doubles as a public speaker on technology topics.
He finished from this primary school as its head boy and best graduating pupil in 2019. See him holding firmly to the microphone. Little did the school know that he was already starting on a solid foundation that will catapult him to greatness, living the vision of building children with global mindsets, which the school prides itself on. I got the headmistress of the school, Abimbola Osage, to explain how Joshua Agboola started. This will guide us into understanding the nature of the boy's exceptional talent.
He actually came up with the idea of coming up with a website for the school. He has the skill, the coding skill. He sat down and then came up with a beautiful site for the school.
Little Joshua was faced with some challenges when he started learning how to read and write. But since he picked up, his pace has been geometric.
I can make some inventions that will change the world.
This is the bond that exists in the Agboola family. Almost every member knows a thing or two about information and communication technology. Joshua Agboola, a boy of many colors, but the most prominent is his shining knack for programming and coding. He is just 10 years old, but has a dream of using technology to create a better world for centuries to come.
When I was 6 years old, my dad enrolled for a coding class called Genius Academy. They actually said I was too young, but my dad decided that they create a curriculum for me. And when I was done, they were surprised at what I could do.
He is proficient in the use of Scratch, HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Java and many others. He has built a number of games, a healthcare app, and some websites, one of which he did for his primary school. He was the youngest speaker at the ICTEL Expo of the Lagos Chamber of Commerce and Industry in 2019.
The fourth industrial revolution is changing the way we live, work, and do business.
I requested that he differentiates between coding and programming. It took time to intelligently lecture me on the features of both.
Programming is the step-by-step instruction you give a computer. Just like when you're baking a cake. You have first put flour, first put egg, first put water, then mix it together. So that's like programming. You put a sign of code, like first do the navbar, like for a website, then put the text, then put this. Then you know when you're putting the cake inside the microwave to make it to do it fast. So there's something called the virtual machine, like the microwave. So then that code or that instruction are not giving the computer, it now translates it and it now display what you want. And coding is looking out in algorithms and programming. They're kind of similar, but they are not the same. Programming is way broader than coding.
This young programmer is passionate about a society where health challenges would be a thing of the past.
My auntie was lost to the grips of breast cancer because of poor diagnosis, and that has inspired me to create a web app called Bridge Doctor.
He explains how the Bridge Doctor will work.
You get into it. You search for a ailment, and it gives you home remedies, treatment to your disease. Not like go take antibiotics, go take paracetamol. Just like normal ones like honey, go take garlic, go take this, and all memories that really work.
If you teach me now, I should be able to play.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
He also taught me how to play one of the games he created.
Wow. You passed my 3rd level. I guess I have to create the 4th level.
This is one of the games created by Joshua Agboola, and it is called Joshua Steppers. I'm trying to place my hand on it, and sincerely, this is interesting.
I had a course in Lagos Business School that I had to do. I got a course that I went for a master's program in Lagos Business School, and I got admitted for the program. I gave birth 2 weeks before then, and I took him to class from 2 weeks old. So they've been calling him professor ever since he was 2 weeks old.
Joshua's parents and siblings have been a strong pillar of support for him. They believe children should be nurtured to live their dreams from an early age.
Parents, like I said, we are mentors. It's an assignment we have. So we need to create opportunities for our children. That's one of those things we have done. We have been very, very, very deliberate, and we have been very, very intentional.
AI will not only take away jobs, AI will change the nature of jobs 100%, totally. New collar jobs will be created.
He sees his elder sister as a mentor. Deborah Agboola is also a brilliant programmer.
I and Joshua, we are in the same school, and we're in the same class in a particular technology school. So I serve to be one of my major role in that school is to be like his guide.
Joshua and Deborah just arrived semicolon, the tech hub where he is enjoying scholarship. He was the first youngest trainee to ever enroll here.
Coding has gotten to the place these days where almost anybody can pick it up as long as they're interested to apply themselves and learn. And then, of course, Joshua is a very gifted boy and very hardworking, and had always expressed interest in technology-related topics.
The role of technology in solving Africa's pressing challenges cannot be overemphasized at this day and age. One way to match up with the developed countries is for the use of technology to skyrocket beyond what it is in the continent. And one way, perceived by experts, for this to be achieved is by encouraging more children into the sector.
He used to teach me dog type, how to change colors, how to make a game, how to make a website. I just love him. I can't be without him.
Joshua is a lover of music.
Joshua Agboola is not just a genius in program developing and coding. He's also good at everything he does. And he has a message for Nigerians. And the message is, let's unite and be one. He believes so much that one day, Nigeria will be great again. Ola Awakon, TVC News, Lagos.
Bravo. You're yet to see enough of the achievements of this young tech expert and future skills activist. An extensive documentary on him will air on TVC Insight this Wednesday by 8:30 p.m. only on TVC News. And finally, the police is your friend. At least that's what they're supposed to be. The image of the Nigeria police force continues to